Every time you meet with your advisor, they will enter advising notes for you, which will serve as a summary of your meeting and will provide the next steps on your journey. In your first few meetings with your advisor, you will also create a check sheet and education plan together for your chosen degree. You can view or download those from within your advising notes so that you always have access to them. To access your advising notes, log in to www.my.maricopa.edu with your MEID and password and click on the Academic Progress tile. From the menu on the left, select My Advising Notes to see all notes that your advisor has left for you. From here, you can view the full note from your advisor, download any files that they have provided for you, and even update the note by clicking the button at the top of the screen with any follow-up questions or concerns you may have. This is an easy way to stay connected to your advisor without having to come to campus or make an appointment.